Fuck! There we go. Sorry. I'm fucking stupid, aren't I? God, I'm stupid. I'm fucking stupid. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm fully insured, don't worry. Do you want to pull into the bus stop here?
Yes, I know.
Okay. I'll keep on here. I'm so sorry. I was changing lanes and looking left. And I didn't see that the traffic was stopping. We'll exchange details. I'll give you my details. So, this is me.
Driver license?
Yeah.
Okay. So how about you?
Sorry?
So how about you? If you're okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm wearing proper gear and stuff, so yeah. Again, I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry, girl. You've been through so much. You know, lucky I didn't bloody hit a pedestrian or frickin' another car or something. Yeah. I've just rear-ended this lady.
Oh no.
Yeah, I know. I'm stupid. Yeah.
Everything okay though?
Yeah, I think I'm fine, and I think it's all fine. Yeah. Thanks anyway. Sorry?
Bike's still rideable?
I saw it leaking coolant, but it doesn't seem to be leaking anymore, and there's no overheating, so I think it's fine.
Pull it, hang on.
Yeah, thanks.
There won't be anything left in that boat. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, shit. Nah.
I reckon the radiator's taking a copy.
Yep. Yeah, fucking hell.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
You got a mobile or anything on you?
Yeah, I'm all good.
Alright, well as long as you're okay.
Yeah, thanks for stopping. I appreciate it.
I always bike her down. I'm
Yeah.
the first to stop. Because when I had my last accident, no one stopped.
Yeah, my first accident, no one stopped. 3 car drivers stopped, not 1 bike stopped.
Well, not like 4 cars drove past.
Yeah.
Slowed down. Oh yeah, looked at it, and kept on going.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
alright.
Alright, thanks again.
All the best for that, eh?
Yeah, thanks. See ya. At least the handlebar's not bloody bent this time. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on the... I'm just gonna go home. I've told work I'm gonna go home. Oh, man. I feel so fucking stupid right now. No, it doesn't smell right. Good bloke slip to the rescue once again. Alright. Oh man. Oh. Fuck, I haven't ridden pillion in so long. So this is what bloody my wife feels like when I filter on the bike. No wonder she doesn't want to ride with me anymore.